how to save a KFC offer for later. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to save an offer for later, usually working in the KFC application or our KFC account. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by logging in into our KFC account or on the application or the website, and we can head over to the offer section. So we can look out for different offers available or directly go ahead and look out for KFC offers website. And here, once you go to the offers or the rewards or promotion section, often shown on the banner or the menu as well, when you open it up, you will be seeing a list of available offers and different coupons available. So you can just go and view it up. You can look out for the toggle option or directly find these offer and look out for the option called apply offer or something similar. After that, you can click on that option and you can select how would you like to receive your order, delivery, pickup or dine-in. You can select one of the option and you can search for area, street name, etc. So go ahead and search for it and confirm it up. And once you confirm up your address, it will be applied automatically to your order right now when the toggle is red or this option for applying is applied. The offer is active and will be applied automatically if your order qualifies. And remember that that does not change the offer's expiration date. It just stops it from being auto-applied until you switch it back on. Not all the offers can be saved. Some must be used immediately and or are automatically applied when ordering. When you're ready to use it, you can go back to the orders of the reward section and switch the offer back on before placing your order. After that, the offer will be applied at the checkout if your order meets any minimum requirements, and that's it. And that's it, everybody. This is how you save up a KFC offer for later. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more.